Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the CAPOT Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair, a premium desk chair designed to deliver comfort, durability, and support for long hours of work or study. Product link is in the description below. This chair is built to combine ergonomic design, adjustable features, and everyday usability in one package. The design is sleek and practical, featuring a high back mesh construction that promotes airflow and keeps you cool during extended sessions. CAPOT engineered this chair to balance aesthetics with performance, making it suitable for home offices, corporate workspaces, and study rooms. Its modern black finish blends seamlessly with professional environments, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. With a weight capacity of 400 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of users. Performance is where this chair shines. Equipped with adjustable lumbar support, it provides personalized comfort for your lower back, reducing strain during long hours of sitting. The 4D flip-up arms allow adjustments in height, angle, and position, ensuring proper alignment for typing, writing, or gaming. The 3D headrest adds extra support for your neck, while the high back design encourages healthy posture. The 3-level tilt backrest lets you recline comfortably, while the rolling swivel base offers smooth mobility across different floor types. Usability and convenience are highlights. The CAPOT ergonomic chair offers simple assembly and intuitive adjustments, allowing you to customize seating to your preference. The breathable mesh material ensures comfort even in warmer environments, while the POO wheels glide effortlessly without scratching floors. Its ergonomic design makes it ideal for professionals, students, and lifestyle users who spend long hours at a desk. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with CAPOT's trusted craftsmanship, this chair is engineered for long-term use. Its blend of durability, efficiency, and sleek aesthetics makes it a smart investment for anyone seeking comfort and productivity. The adjustable features ensure it adapts to different body types and work styles. Use cases are broad. For professionals, it delivers reliable comfort during meetings and projects. For students, it supports long study sessions. For gamers, it provides ergonomic seating for extended play. For lifestyle users, it's a stylish centerpiece that pairs modern design with practical support. In summary, the CAPOT ergonomic office chair combines breathable mesh, adjustable lumbar support, 4D arms, and a supportive headrest in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.